Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm shooting more bottles with my guns. So, as you can see, I have a bottle right here, another one in the bag right there. So I got camera 1, and then I have camera 2 over there, and then right here is my first person cam for shooting. So, make sure you guys stick to the end. Got a pretty interesting setup here, trying to keep the cameras up, but yeah, let's get into this. But here's my dog. Aww. She came over here to see what I was doing. But yeah, let's start shooting these. Get everything ready. This time I'm gonna stand a bit closer and aim for the top. So as you can see, I knocked it off, knocked the top right off, and it made a huge crack in it. And then the bullet hole, it went straight through, and then just the second shot. Right here, I'm gonna see where the bullet went through, I don't know. But yeah, let's shoot at this again. Now it's time to shoot with the airsoft gun. So I'm gonna put it on fire, pull it back. Let's come over here, and I'm just gonna go for the tippity top. I also put the top of the bottle back on it because I want to break it. So. Okay, so now I got this thing, this bottle. I'm gonna aim for the middle. Fire. Oh my gosh. Let's take one more shot. I missed. That was a crazy shot. Tons of glass here, but yeah, I'm gonna take out the remains now. In order to do that, this one won't fit on the wall. I gotta take out this part. And how I'm gonna do that? Oh, okay. Alrighty, it's time to take out all the remains. So. First, I'm gonna go with the bottom of the last one we shot. Ready, aim, fire. Okay. I'm gonna take a second shot. Oh, nice, that one looks cool. All right, third shot. Oh, nice. Oh, that one exploded. Alrighty, it's time to shoot the remains of the bottles. Get my gun ready. And I'm gonna go for the brown one first. Oh! Oh! here's, oh shoot. Knocked over my BBs. Good thing they were closed. Okay, here's the remains of the battlefield. Tons of glass. Lots of stuff here. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video. And tomorrow, I might make a video because I might make a video of shooting or go-kart or something, because I'm getting like a chest thing for my GoPro, so that it'll just be like right here. So I don't know, I might make a go-kart or shooting video tomorrow. So make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.